listen. In this topic, you become a master of yourself, and you gain immense confidence in yourself knowing that you can tame your sexual energy. Here's a quote about Muhammad Ali from his trainer. "There's a young man here named Cassius Clay. If you bet on him every time he fights, you'll get rich because he won't lose a single fight. I believe his strength lies in his sexual control, and he has it." Many yogis claim that sexual energy should flow up the spine rather than down to the genitals. This means that your semen, which represents your sexual power, should be distributed throughout your body, using it to enhance every activity you engage in. I occasionally went for extended periods without experiencing a wet dream. While we often view wet dreams as a setback, the body does what it needs to do. However, a wet dream is not nearly as harmful as the damage caused by. Just like a pressure cooker needs to release built-up steam, it's natural for the body to need a release. To stay consistent with your NOFap commitment, you must keep your mind focused. It's crucial to control where your thoughts and mind wander, especially when your brain drifts towards. Whenever you notice your thoughts straying in the wrong direction, snap yourself back to focus. Developing higher concentration and a strong mind will prevent your sexual energy from overpowering you. Discipline is key. It's almost like you need to keep this energy contained. This is what the NOFap community refers to as the benefits. Distributing your sexual energy throughout your body will give you a natural, youthful appearance and a vibrant spark. Semen creates life, so if you conserve this life energy, you'll be full of vitality. Many men I talk to mention how much harder it is now to retain their seed compared to the past. With the easy access to arousing content at the click of a button, like pornography, and the prevalence of provocative images everywhere. Even at the gym, you can't escape the distractions from women, and social media platforms like Instagram are filled with temptations. It's true that it's more challenging than ever to control your urges. It's almost as if society wants to undermine masculinity. It would be easy to give in to all this stimulation, but doing so would mean losing the benefits that abstinence can bring. Think of athletes and return to the quote about Muhammad Ali from the beginning of this video. The glow of a strong body stems from fundamental energy, known as semen. Even medical professionals recognize that semen is a powerful energy source essential for sustaining robust beings. In Vedanta philosophy, semen is considered the vital life force that maintains life. It is believed to be a living element within the reproductive organs, spreading throughout the body and imparting a special radiance to the skin, often referred to as a bodily aura. This is considered the secret to looking and feeling healthy. Maintaining this vital force is key to good health. Men who waste their seed energy daily need to either use it or flush it out of their bodies regularly. Blood flow is beneficial for the prostate, but without sex, masturbation, or specific urethral exercises, the gland can suffer. The reality is that the prostate gland requires regular muscle contraction or stimulation to stay healthy through masturbation, massage, or yogic exercise. This is crucial for your health, just like cardiovascular exercise is for your heart. If you avoid sex while cultivating sexual thoughts, the sexual energy builds up and needs to be released. Humans are designed to reproduce. Our bodies are built to ensure the survival of our species, which is why sex is encouraged by our physiology. However, misusing it through excessive masturbation can be harmful. But there's good news. There's a simple way to address the prostate issue. According to yogic science, headstands are among the best exercises for men. This inversion draws sexual energy up the spine and enhances blood flow throughout the body, reducing stress. It helps direct sexual energy to the brain, aiding in focus. Additionally, clean eating and positive thoughts are crucial for men pursuing celibacy. Don't forget to show support by subscribing and liking the content. To discover more ways to improve yourself as a man, watch these recommended videos. By harnessing and properly managing your sexual energy, you can achieve a healthier, more vibrant life. Don't miss out on more valuable insights and tips for your well-being. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay updated with our latest content and continue your journey to becoming the best version of yourself.